Hey guys, welcome to the lab. So today, it's been a while, so I'm going to introduce something new. We call it the Patchwork. So today we got our Patchwork handles with just a 1/4 inch scrap burlap and python, and we're going to go ahead and add a few colors to it. I've already got the resin made because we're a little short on time in the shop. Alright, now if you notice, I'm mixing a little bit different than usual. I've acquired a new type of resin which is supposed to be better, harder, and, well, easier to work with. But so they say. This is the first time trying it out, so I guess we'll see in the end. That lives there now. Now we need to darken that up just a touch here. There we go. That looks like a deep royal purple. Hopefully it turns out okay. Pro tip here if you're pouring in the corners. We gotta fill each of these little corners and crevices. I will be posting the final pictures of them on the Pout House along with this video. If you're not a Pout House member, please do so. It's a really fun group of people out there. They helped me out a lot with all ideas and everything else. Alright, well, thank you and see you later.